Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade Ponce, and if you haven't already, I would love it if you click that little subscribe button, and if you don't want to miss out on some of my posts, make sure you click on the notification bell so that way you get notified every time I post. Okay, so today is going to be a little bit of a short video. It's currently 12:30 and I have a hair appointment at 1:15, and then I have to go to work right after, so I'm cutting everything really close, but I just couldn't let you guys leave without letting you know about this. The reason why I've been wearing bandanas, headbands all the time, you guys. First, let me tell you, this hair is from Klaiyi Hair. I've worked with them in the past. This hair was sent to me. I have in a 24, 22, 20, 18-inch closure. I'll list all the specs down below. This is Malaysian natural wave, and that's gonna play a little bit of a part going forward. As most of you know, I am new to sew-ins. Like, this is my third sew-in, so I am still fairly new, but I've worn clip-ins for years, so many different brands, cheap ones, synthetic ones, real human hair, so many, and I've never had as much trouble as I had with this hair here. So in my previous video about this hair, I talked about it being a Malaysian natural wave. So that is a little bit more of a curly texture. I knew curly texture was gonna get a little bit knotted. It's gonna take a little bit more maintenance. But you guys, I have a lot of patience and I have no patience for this hair. Zero. I've worn it up every single day. I mean, I wear it down here and there, but like very, very seldom, because like I just know it's gonna look like crap. My hair is thinning. So I think I've had this hair in for about 2 to 3 months. So quite a while. It was fine the first like few days. I noticed even before washing it that I was shedding quite a bit, a little bit more than normal. And for the first time, I was having problems with matting in the back of my neck, which is like when it mats together, and like I was literally ripping my hair apart. Like, it was so insane. And so this might be a little gross, but I kept it all just so I could show you that I'm not playing. I've contacted the company in the past. They said this is unfamiliar to them. No one has this issue. They didn't want to send me new hair or fix the problem. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, so just so you guys can visualize with me the amount of hair that I've lost. Yeah, this is real. This is real. My closure has bald spots. I just have barely any hair, you guys. It's all here, it's all in my hands. And this isn't even all of it. This isn't even all of it. Like, that's insane. And these are thick, you guys. I was pulling these out of my fucking, like, it was literally just falling out. Yeah, so, like I said, that wasn't even all of it. That's just stuff that came from my brush and just like putting my hands through it. I would have strands everywhere, you guys. My coworkers were mentioning things, my boyfriend was mentioning my hair being like everywhere, and that's so embarrassing. Like, that should not be happening. I get curly hair is more work. I get hair sheds. I didn't sew my wefts, maybe that's my fault. I didn't do it with this new one. But next time I'm gonna try sewing my wefts and see if that makes a difference. But I just don't feel like I should have lost that much hair. Like, that's insane. Okay, so I'm gonna show you like how I got through. I've been wearing like headbands, you guys see like on my Instagram and stuff like that. Like, I've been wearing a lot of headbands because this is what it looks like. And I'm only showing you this because I'm going to my hair appointment right after. So there's my lace. These are my braids, my natural hair. So that's where my hairline starts. But you see the lace? It's kind of hard to tell. But like, this is the closure. It's so dark that like it's balding everywhere. So like, I had no other choice but to wear it like that. Wear it up. You guys, I stopped washing this hair like a week ago, a little over a week ago, just because like it was just so much work, and every time I washed it I lost so much hair. And I mean, I needed it to last me until I can get my hair done again. But you guys, like, I don't care. Like, I can't even, you know, like the curls like get stuck together. It's just so, I just hate it. I just hate it. I can't wait to get it out. I am trying a new hair company this time, and so far so good. I'm gonna like do a separate video talking all about it, but yeah. I can't wait to rip this out of my hair. Most of the time she'll ask me like if I want to keep the hair, if I want to like what I want to do with it. I'm gonna tell her to set it on fire. No, I mean, I am very grateful to Klaiyi Hair. I just wish that it just didn't shed as much because it's beautiful hair. It's just like, ugh. Yeah, so I can't wait to take this out. It's been a journey. She got me through, but I just can't wait to go to like more of a silkier texture, less fuss. Like this is supposed to be like vacation beach hair where you can just like wet it and go, which most of the time it was good like that. It's just the shedding and the matting, and it was just, the good didn't outweigh the bad for me, unfortunately. I'm willing to give Klaiyi Hair another chance in the future, just it's gonna be a little bit of a while. Okay guys, that's basically it. Like I said, it's gonna be a short video. Let me know if you like my makeup. I might do a video on it. I mean, it looks good. It looks a little bit chunky glitter. This is the new Dream Kit from Anastasia. I love the color. It just looks a little chunky. So that's gonna wrap up my little short video. I love you guys so much. I can't wait to see you in my next one. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It lets me know that you guys are watching, you're engaged, and you like what I'm doing. If you want to see me do something else or anything, just let me know down below. I'm totally willing to do it. I have so many video ideas, I just have to make sure I execute them. I was also thinking about doing a giveaway when I hit 5,000. I'm pretty close, gotta work a little bit harder, post a little bit more. All of my social media links are down below. Make sure you're following me to keep up to date, know what's going on. A lot of the times I don't post a lot on YouTube, but I will post pretty much every night on Instagram and keep up on Snapchat. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Remember to keep your happiness first. Bye guys, see you soon.